Hi everyone, it's Sunday the 6th of August already. Time is absolutely flying out there. Last Sunday I was up at the Akamatsu Club. They had a workshop on, so I went up and joined in the workshop, and while I was there I actually joined the club. So I'm actually now a fully fledged proud member of the Akamatsu Bonsai Society. Let me just look back and show you a little bit what was going on. I took up my Dawn Redwood, wired it while I was up there, and Rob Atkinson gave it a style. So let's go and have a look what was going on at the club, and I'll show you the Redwood after Rob had finished with it.
Newest member of the club. Just a 2-hour drive on a Thursday night will not bother them.
Easy done. Easy done.
Marvellous. It's getting there, Bri.
Thank you, mate.
When you think how it started, Jesus Christ.
Move on, isn't it?
Well, you have, but it's still a nice tree. Yes, in that pot.
No, I'm checking out that big pot. That's a 200 pound. That's just been done since you were recording that. How much?
It's getting mature. You know what I mean? You might get a bit more. Stick 6 on it. See what happens.
I'll have a look at what I've got, but I'm not letting that pot go. You're taking 200 pounds.
Well, so stick 500, stick in the cheap or something.
Yeah.
And if somebody says, just say, I'll stick what the training cost you can take with a pot, I want to take a pot or something.
Yeah.
That's true.
I'll ask you them.
Put the short on.
Just a bit heavy,
Yeah, put some Akamatsu as well, mate.
oh, higher up there. Yeah. You are when somebody else is.
Yeah, exactly.
If I've got it, it's Deadwood.
Well, I know. Only be dead if you don't care for it properly.
Oh, yeah, claiming appearance money, on these videos.
To make this.
I think I could have probably come more.
We're all friends here, aren't we?
We are, mate.
Sharon's Karen.
Sharon's Karen.
Who's Sharon?
Sharon's Karen.
She's obviously not Karen. we on YouTube tomorrow?
Put it a little short. I'll just take it short.
You're on Peace Farm already.
What?
So that was the club workshop. There was a club meeting on the subsequent Thursday, which I did plan to go to, but you know, things being as they are, I just couldn't make it. Ended up with some meetings and some things that were just a little bit too much more importance than our little hobby of bonsai, unfortunately. But we cracked on, you know, getting everything done. And yesterday we went down to the camper unit to bring in a repair job. One of the vans that we sold has got a little bit of a problem, and we're going to put that right for the guy that bought it. There was no warranty on it, but we just feel that we want him to be a happy camper. So you know, let's do the right thing, basically. I'll just take you back in time again, where I was down at the unit yesterday. So we're down at the camper unit. We've had to just break away from the bonsai work today. So I've come down here to Bonsai Campers because unfortunately one of our customers who purchased the van is experiencing some problems. The engine's going into overboost, which is being caused by the wastegate on the turbo. So although there was no warranty with that vehicle, we're going to help George sort his vehicle out. We've told him to bring it down. It happened soon enough after, you know, selling the vehicle to him that it was not in our best interests as a company to not help him out and not do the right thing. We always like to do the right thing. But I thought while I was here I would just show you the next vehicle off the production line, which is this 2015 VW Transporter, which has had the full conversion. Let's just go in and have a look. You can see there it's up for 26995 without any VAT. And as you look into the vehicle, just excuse the few bits that have been chucked in, you should be able to see that it's got the full conversion. The table's just stood up there on the rock and roll bed. The sink and twin burners in there. That's all brand new. Absolutely fantastic. And the brand new fridge sat there. The USB power, you know, everything that you'd expect from one of these vehicles. The double diamond interior, which is the same on the rock and roll bed. And this is going to market, well, now really. But what I'd like to do is offer to my viewers that if anybody would like this vehicle, you can contact Bonsai Campers, or you can contact myself. If you go to Bonsai Campers, quote "Let's do bonsai," the price will magically go down from the 26995 down to 25,000 straight for anybody who's a subscriber to the channel. Just a little offer there for anybody that might want it. To the side of it there is another vehicle that's due to be converted in some way, shape or form. Some of the seats are out at the moment because there's some works going on with the electric. It's all been freshly lined. It's all been freshly boarded and carpeted. Rear windows put in, sliding windows at the rear of the seats, as you can see there. And we did contemplate putting fake windows either side, but we decided against that. I think we're going to potentially put a unit in there that's going to be scribed down with a sink and a burner and some storage in there. It's not intended at the moment to have the rock and roll bed in, but anybody who wants it would be able to do that. But it's another lovely van. So that's, you know, what I'm up to at the moment. Sorry if that's boring to some of you. Some of you like the campers, some of you don't. So we're just waiting for George to turn up, and if George wants to, we'll talk about what George does, because he does some really interesting stuff. He's got a retro clothing company, and you can visit his website. I think he sells things on all different platforms, eBay and everything. But when he turns up, we'll have a chat with him, and if he wants to have a quick chat with us, we will do. George has arrived. He's not feeling 100%. He's a little bit under the weather today, bless him. He's had to come all the way down with the van. There's the van. Looks really well, but it's got this overboost issue, or what is considered to be an overboost issue. George runs and operates Revive Rails, operates out of the Wakefield area, but obviously it's online. You sell on eBay, where else?
And Poshmark.
Epop?
eBay, Depop, and Poshmark.
Depop, see, I'm learning now. And what was the other one?
Poshmark.
Poshmark.
Yeah.
We'll put you some links in the description below, and I've asked George to send me some images of some of the things that he's got available, just to pique your interest, because I've been and I've seen, you know, what he's got, and my interest was piqued. So get over there and have a look, and put some sales his way, will you please? So we've come for a nosy here at Revival Rails, and wow, look at it all. I encourage you to click on the links below and go and have a look. And look at the Cubs baseball shirt. Makes me think immediately of Richard Pryor in Brewster's Millionaire, where he has to spend that 30 million in 30 days. Probably easier to do nowadays. I might even get that for myself. So there's rails and rails and rails of interesting clothing. As you saw there was the Blue Jay t-shirt, but amazing clothing. Find my way back out again. So there's the Blue Jay t-shirt, not quite Carnage Can Blue Jay, but there you go. And then there's some very special jackets and tops in here. The Andre Agassi Nike top, fantastic. Chicago Blackhawks jacket, some Hilfiger, some Gators, and a Muhammad Ali Adidas top. You don't see many of those around, do you? Click on the links below and see if there's anything you like. There's some international shipping to be had, so all you guys across the water will be able to get stuff. So that closes off another busy week. Well, probably a busy 2 weeks really. So yeah, hopefully we'll get on with a little bit more. There's plenty still to do. So get out there and make the best of the rest of your day. Be kind to each other, animals and the planet. And as always, I will see you again in the next one. Having the lights on is such a cheat. It's so dark. You can just see the lights over there. But dusk is coming in. Those nights are drawing in. It's 9:30.